Today, let me show you the way that you can fix Snapchat account temporarily locked. Now, for some reason, your account of Snapchat is currently locked. In today's video, let me show you a couple of steps that you can follow in order to solve this issue. Now, the first thing what you want to do is open up a web browser and search for Snapchat account locked, and you'll be able to see this first link which says my Snapchat account is locked. Now, as soon as you go into this page, you'll be able to see different reasons why it may be locked. For most people, it is simply a temporary lock. So you can just expand this menu. And right here, it says it may be due to some third-party applications or plugin users. So if that is the case with you as well, you just need to wait out 48 hours and the lock will be automatically removed from your Snapchat account. Now, let's say if you wait 48 hours and if this is not the case with you, and if you think your account was compromised, meaning if your account was hacked, you can just head over to the compromise section. You can expand this, and if you scroll down further, and you'll be able to see the section called contact Snapchat support. Now, as soon as you do that, it will ask you to change your password, and also you'll have the link of resetting your password. But for some reason, let's say the hacker has changed your email address as well as your phone number, then you can scroll down further and then fill in this form, add in your username, your email address, your phone number that is linked with your Snapchat account, and then you'll need to exactly explain what is the situation. Now, if you want to follow this step, you firstly need to confirm if your account was really hacked or not. But for most people, it may also not be the case. So what you simply need to search for is Snapchat unlock your account. And as soon as you do that, you'll be able to see the first link. And right here, you'll be able to see this screen where you simply need to tap on this unlock button. Then you'll be taken to the login page where you can fill in your information of your credentials, and then as soon as you do that, your account should be unlocked. So in these three cases, try out the first and third method first of all, and if those methods don't work out for you, you can try out the second method, which is if your account was actually hacked. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video.